So we off to fetch my pianist, Prince. He's also from here, back home. I hope he's there. Let's just switch on the phone. Seeing as it's Hambeli Hall. Hi, actual Mandeni, I've never seen this before. Hello. You've never seen this before. It is Zinhle Madela's homecoming. She is coming home. As in, actually, mele ngivele ngithola islot sami lapha kwi homecoming yabo. Unokuthi ngenze eyami homecoming. Njalo ngibe nale section le ye homecoming. Hayibo, nakho sengidlula Prince kuke Prince. Akhona la phela. Yeah. Hey, the car. The mess. Yeah, we are here. You guys know each other?
Yeah.
From where? Let's go check this.
This is the prince.
This is the prince. Yeah. Yes, no penalty to say if you. That's a 5 year. We got twins and preparing for Christmas. Oh, no babu. That's nice. For your homecoming, it's like a movie, actually.
Yeah, bro.
But it's
good.
Gonna be a nice video.
It's gonna be a nice video.
Vincent and Shema, they do tolerate my nonsense. But to Shema yabashuta.
Chicken dust.
Chicken dust. Oh, Mata. Sure. Oh, this is Rich Mandeni, by the way. Rich Mandeni. So today, for Matandana, I'm playing with a young drummer. He's very young, underage for some events where I attend, but he's good. Lap. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yes, yes. No, oh yes. So with the Lentuzan, we homecoming. I don't know my unknown wala DJ non. Cool. Gap. Oh. Back. Oh, okay. So uyena oyenzayo lento le. Ixhaso masipala angazi ke abanye ke, but thina as local artists uyasikhokhela. But I don't charge imali azongikhokhela wona incane. So into evele ngayiprioritize ukuthi ngikhokhele laba neband. Mina sekwenzela ukuthi nje ngibe nento engiyenza ngasekhaya yabo. But nje no, because sizosebenza thina asile nathi kuyo jive vele kodwa age he is young. Ingane lapha zaya
ukuthi eMandeni phela
akunakwa ukuthi, but he's young for that environment though. Okay, ayikho inkinga. No, siyabonga ma. So buya ke sesomlanda kahle ke. Angazi kodwa siyakhona lapha ya. So share ama instruments mase bazositshela ke isikhathi. And then zokusendela i-message on the phone. Okay, siyabonga. Kuba igama lakho Nzulu? Makanzulu. Kodwa ngikuseve kanjalo Makanzulu. All right. Hayi no siyabonga mama. Yeah, ma.